alternator job on a 2017 Mitsubishi.
Mazda.
Nah, Mazda 6. I thought it was Mitsubishi.